Kani gade kapati CCTV.
Hennen gasngi ka khon jong ka wai ka long yeng ka balak do no yala ka keme ukpa upae bar arngot ki mama jong ka kala kanno ba ka jing toket jong pulen ubala thong da sarkar kalong ka bathong bat uniu pulen shem lale ya ka jing toket katkom ka ba udai banle kasamla ringat ti sangma habakren hakinong pathai khubor hennen gasngi hakani kanong ba shilong kalai tho ba ka kai phot jong ka jing token wai pulen officer ka dai ka bathong namar wat ka jingkran jong ka ro la tan sat hakani ka kai phot kat ba ha ka jing shisha uniu pulet 4 juta ket ai naka halor kani jingja laban rap kasamla ringgat ti sangma kani kadai halor ka jingja sya penyap kisan ngot ki breu naka ju kalong yeng ha ka nyo bat pratere ukala lengkot usnam arhajar khatsan ha ka snong mnigre hari lom garo ha ka ba kini ki breu kala sya penyap tang naka daw bala suba bekidai kinong aiksuat.
So we wanted to know what actually is the status of the case, but the last time the court was adjourned when we went.
Your issue here is that the investigation officer has made a fake statement.
Yes. Yes. And she wants the re-investigation of this case.
She wants
the re-investigation of this case. Because she is the witness. She was not the witness actually, but she was there in the village. That is not true, she's saying. I've never given this kind of statement. You can go through this page, and here he has said that we killed the villagers, but he was not arrested.
This is the fellow, no?
Yeah, Tharmenson Chisangma.
Are you seeking any action against this investigation officer?
That is why we are planning to meet the DGP tomorrow. We are planning to meet the DGP tomorrow. Because this guy needs to be questioned. And we have the video statement that was taken in the meeting between the Chambugong. Chambugong is David McSleena's wife. They had a meeting and he confessed that we killed our brother, David McSleena. That evidence is with him. I asked for that evidence also, but they didn't provide us.
The police?
The police.
It's a video statement.
Yeah, video statement. I have the video statement. I can give it to you. But it's spoken in Garo, and the picture is not that clear. But he said, Jackson Chisangma, he said that he confessed that we have killed our brother.
Kani gade kapati CCTV.